मैं गुरुजी को जानती तो उनके बारे में जानती तो 1989 से थी, लेकिन उनको मिलने का अवसर मुझे 1997 में मिला. माय पेरेंट्स एक्चुअली मेट हिम इन 1996. तो उस टाइम पे वो, मैं इंडिया में नहीं थी, मैं इंग्लैंड में थी. तो जब मैं 97 में वापस आई तो मैं बहुत चाह रही थी कि मैं गुरुजी को मिलूं, पर गुरुजी कहीं, पता ही नहीं था गुरुजी कहाँ चले गए थे. चंडीगढ़ से वो एकदम ही कहीं चले गए, फिर उसके बाद किसी को पता नहीं था. एंड देन माय फादर फाउंड आउट एंड ही फाउंड दैट गुरुजी वाज एक्चुअली इन छोटे मंदिर इन Delhi. So then we went to Chote Mandir to see him. Now my Guruji knew my father from Chandigarh. So as soon as we entered Chote Mandir and we saw Guruji, तो Guruji said to my father कि आप चंडीगढ़ से नहीं आए हैं, आप मेरठ से आए हैं. So my father said हाँ जी गुरुजी. So गुरुजी को कैसे पता लगा that we had come from Meerut on that particular day. So that was my first meeting with Guruji, and I saw Guruji. He was dressed in his chola, in his garb, and it just did not feel odd at all. I mean, that was it. That was Guruji, and I just accepted him right away. There were no questions in my mind. So then the second incident that I had with Guruji was when Guruji actually had come to attend a wedding in Chandigarh. So I took my friend and I said I want you to meet my Guruji, and I took her there and we went and Guruji के पास मैं गई. I walked up to him and like a little child demanding. I mean उस टाइम पे तो मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि लोग गुरुजी को इतने freely approach नहीं करते हैं. तो I mean for me he was like my father. So I walked up to him and I said Guruji, this is my friend, इसको bless कर दो. So he said कच्ची सहेली है कि पक्की सहेली है. सो आई सेड पक्की है. कहते अच्छा जा ब्लेस कीता. सो आई पीपल सिटिंग अराउंड गुरुजी वर ऑल्सो टेकन अबैक कि इतनी फ्रीली कैसे आके मैंने ऐसे बोल दिया. पर व्हेन यू आर इन योर इग्नोरेंस यू डोंट रियली रियलाइज. एनीवे, सो ही स्माइल्ड एंड आफ्टर आई टर्न्ड अराउंड ही सेड ये बड़ी बोल्ड है, बहुत बोलती है. सो देन so that was my second meeting with Guruji. Then on my next trip home, the same friend who had asked Guruji to bless, she came over and I said to her, I said you also come with me to, I'm going to see Guruji. मेरी उसके अगले दिन flight थी, so I was supposed to go to Delhi and then meet Guruji and then go on my flight back home. So she said okay, but I don't have time. I've only got 2 hours to prepare. I have to take leave from school. I have to pack my bags, buy my ticket. So I said never mind, everything can be done. If you want to go, you need to have the will to go. So she then rushed home. She first went to her school. She spoke to her school principal. She got a couple of days off. She then went to the railway station to buy her ticket, and over there it was such a long queue कि जब तक हमारी ट्रेन ही आ जानी थी तब तक उसने क्यू में आगे पहुंचना था टिकट लेने के लिए. So there was this gentleman, वो उसने देखा कि she was a little perturbed, so he asked her what was wrong and she said I need to buy a ticket. तो उसने बोला आप मेरे को दे दो पैसे और आप जाओ घर सामान ले आओ, मैं आपकी टिकट लेके रखूँगा. Like he was another passenger in the queue. So she gave him the money and she went home to pack her bags. On the way there she was thinking whether he'll be there or not with the ticket when she got back. So when she got back he was there waiting for her with the ticket in his hand, and and the ticket that she had, we had booked our tickets, my brother, my sister and I had booked our tickets 2 weeks earlier, but the seat she got was in our compartment. So that was not a coincidence. For so many things to come together and for her to go to Guruji with us that day was actually his will. So nothing can happen without his will. We can't meet him without him wanting us to meet him. We can't dream about him without him kind of willing us to be, there with him or to see him. So, and likewise, I've had many dreams of Guruji, and I've always written them down in a diary. Whenever I dream, I just write it down in a diary that, I saw Guruji, he was wearing this color clothes, he said this to me, and then after about 3-4 years, I forgot that I had written that down. So I went back to an old diary and I opened it, and that's where I saw Guruji. It was so wonderful to see him, to see all the dreams that I'd had about Guruji. So, we must always write down our experiences so that we can relive them. And, that's how our connection to Guruji becomes stronger. That's how we feel that, yes, that validates the thing that, we have seen him, or he has come in our dreams, or we have had a particular incident where, his divine power has helped us, or, that he's shown himself to us and assisted us. So that was my little satsang. And if you have any questions, you can ask.